Ladies, are you a strong, powerful, successful woman? And yet, have you just gone through a separation or a divorce? Maybe it was just last week, or maybe it was 3 or 5 years ago. You know what we have discovered after working with thousands of midlife women? None of this is easy. Even though you might be successful in all other areas of your life, this particular separation and divorce may have brought you to your knees. I only say that because that's what happened to me. I thought I was pretty much could handle whatever life threw at me. And yet, when my husband left me, I was devastated. I was so upset, so confused, disorientated, and I was scared. I wondered what my future was going to look like, not because I needed a man, but because my reality, my identity, and everything that I was looking forward to and had worked really hard to achieve was suddenly gone. Gone, just like he was gone, out of my life, out of my kids' life. And it was really scary to have that thought that, who am I now? Where am I going? What am I doing? Will anyone ever love me again? And those thoughts started to consume me. I made a decision that I was not going to allow my separation and divorce to define me. I knew that I did not have the tools and the skills because, quite frankly, I'd never learned how to go through separation and divorce because it was never something that I had to have in the past. I was emotionally intelligent, I was financially successful, and yet I could not fathom for a minute how I moved past this place and work out the steps that I needed to take. It was only then when I dug deep and I learnt new tools and new skills. I didn't know how to heal. I didn't know how to move forward with a new plan. I didn't know how to build my confidence, so I trusted in myself and knew that I could actually get through this. Now, I have really enjoyed this journey, and it has been, honestly, I hate to say it, but my divorce has brought me a new life. It's given me new opportunities. I am happier and have a better life than I have ever had in the past. I would love to share this with you. My business partner, Sandra Lee, and I, Fiona May, we run Women on Transition, and we help midlife women to transition through this period of their life and come out bigger, stronger, wiser, and braver. We'd love to share our journey and the journey of thousands of other ladies that have gone before you who are now also living successful, happy, beautiful, fulfilling new lives. Ladies, we'd love to invite you to come to one of our Reset Your Life and Shine 3-day events in October in Brisbane, Sydney, and Perth. Click the link below. Hope to see you there.